See me now, why don't you hear me out? Can't you see what we're about? I see you at my door, wanting in, come back for more. I don't want this anymore.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my video. Say hello. For this video, I'm back with a hair tutorial. So I'm gonna do like some passion twists on my hair, and I thought, what would be a nice way to just film a video of me doing my hair. So you guys just gonna see me just part my hair. I put like beeswax on it and then split it in two. Of course, I'll get the extension, then I'll go ahead and start twisting. Well, first I braid. I don't go ahead and twist because I'm not very secure on my twist when it comes to twisting it in the roots. So I start off braiding my hair, and especially this hair texture is very slippery. It's not very kinky. So I will if you do this hairstyle, I would recommend you to braid first and then start twisting after like 4 inches of braiding. And then this is how it looked after I did the same thing with my whole hair. I do the braids first and then I start twisting. So I'm gonna stop rambling, you guys. You guys get the point of how I'm doing my hair. I'm just gonna continue letting you guys enjoy the video and the music. And once again, have a great day, wonderful day, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Mwah.